Good morning, Sir Philip and friends. Today, me and my friends are going to present about past continuous. But first, let me introduce my group. First, we have Elia. Yes, it's me. And we have Nicholas as my partner. Okay, let's get started. Past continuous. Did you know what is the definition of past continuous? The past continuous tense, also known as the past progressive tense, refers to a continuous action or state that was happening at some point in the past. The past continuous tense is formed by combining the past tense of to be, was, or were, with the verb's present participle in word. As we know, after we talk about the definition, we will talk about the social function of past continuous. So, what is the social function of past continuous? The social function of past continuous is to describe a continuous action that was interrupted by another action past. Past continuous describe to a continuous and simultaneous action in the past. Next, features of function features of past continuous tense. The past continuous describe action or event in a time before now, which began in the past and were still going on when another event occurred. Like, for example, it is used often to describe the background in a story written in the past tense. Example, the sun was shining and the birds were singing as the elephant came out of the jungle. The other animals were relaxing in the shade of the trees, but the elephant moved very quickly. She was looking for the baby, and she didn't notice the hunter who was watching her through his binoculars. When the shot rang out, she was running towards the river. Okay, the next one is the generic structure. Generic structure is the general structural formula of a library, consisting of the scaffold plus an indication of the position of attachment of the various residues. But did you know what is the generic structure of past continuous tense? Okay, so the generic structure have three forms: positive, negative, and question form. The positive form is composed of subject plus be, was or were plus verb ing. The second one is negative form is composed by subject plus be, was or were plus not plus verb ing. And the last is question form, or most people call it interrogative form, is composed by be, was or were plus subject plus verb ing. So now we will move on to the example of past continuous. There are 15 examples, and for each form there is 5 examples. Positive form. The first one we have because the economic condition of their family was worse. Finally, his mother agreed with the Malin's planning. The second is his mother was very sad and angry because her son was rebellious to her. So his mother put a cursed Malin to become stone. The third is, one day, the mouse deer was thirsty. He wanted to drink in the river, but he knew that crocodiles were staying and waiting underwater to eat him. The fourth is, on the following day, the mouse deer was hungry. He wanted to eat some grass and on the side of the river, so he had to cross the dangerous river, which was full of crocodiles. The fifth is, one day Malin with his family and helpers sailed to go to an island which his mother lived. At the moment, Malin's mother was waiting for her son. Then She looked a sheep. After positive form, we move into the negative form. First, we have one day he fell because he cast a chicken. His arm right hurt, then his injury became scar that couldn't lose. The second is she was very afraid with him because his mother remembered about her husband. He left her to work in foreign, but he didn't come back anymore. The third is they, they took all of merchandise. Some person were killed by pirates, but Malin was not killed because Malin hid on a wood box. The fourth is he did not put his leg, but the mouse deer took a wood stick and put one end into the water. The fifth is, sorry, crocodiles not today. I come to you to bring an invitation from the king. You are invited to the party. The king ordered me to count all crocodiles in the river, so he knew how to prepare enough meal for you. And the last form is the interrogative form. The first is, she said, Malin, my son, I am your mother. I have waited a long time for you. Malin asked, who are you? I don't know you. I don't know you. The second is, Malin's mother said again, I am your mother, son. Don't you remember? Malin's mother was sad because her son didn't admit her as his mother. The third is, Malin's wife asked to Malin, is she your mother, right? Malin answered, no. I know she is just bigger who want to lie to me to get all of my wealth. The fourth is, seeing that the mouse deer laughed and said, stupid crocodile, can you see the difference between a wood stick and a leg? The fifth is, they look happy and show their sharp teeth and say, hello, mouse deer. Do you come to be my lunch? We are hungry. The mouse deer just smiled and replied, that is the presentation from our group. Thank you, sir.